It's finally arrived. Now, I know a lot of people are angry about this shirt, given its cost, and I can understand it. £120 is a great deal of money. My only objection to the cost really is the fact that they're only giving 10% away to former players. It would have been nicer if it was 50%, and then £120 is probably justified. Also, there's an argument to say that if they were just £60, that people would buy more of them. So I can understand people's reservations. However, I've followed Southampton all my life. It's something I just have to have. Yeah, that's lovely. So this is number 690 of 1976. Oh, this box is incredible, isn't it? This really is well made. And now you have the FA Cup winners' 5th anniversary shirt details. This is a magnetic flap. Keeps the box closed nicely. It says, this limited edition Southampton FC X Puma shirt pays tribute to the unforgettable 1-0 victory in the FA Cup final against Manchester United on the 1st of May 1976. It proudly features signatures from the manager and every player who contributed across the FA Cup run to bring the trophy home. Inspired by the iconic shirt worn on that historic day, it unites past and present in a timeless celebration of club history. Past made present. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Oh, this box is incredible. This really is well made. Wow. Lovely badge. Classic old school Southampton badge with a gold halo. I don't have any intention of ever wearing this, and it's going to be in the display case, so I'm loath to take it out. Oh, kudos to the club, because that is absolutely stunning. That's beautiful, isn't it? Look, look at all the signatures. How they did this. It's obviously a print, but it's incredible when they do this. Lovely. Okay, we'll bring this down. Let's see what the name's there.
See the weather-beaten captain with his weather-beaten tan. He don't wear no gold braid. He's a corporation man, and the captains of the ferry, they're a dying race. There ain't no ex-tram drivers to go and take their place on the Woolston ferry. It doesn't travel very fast.
Beautiful.
It was never built for comfort.
Details on there, the score, the good old Bobby.
But the floating bridges had it.
And there's the
It'll
back.
have to go.
Because
the motorists don't like it. The 16p throw, and they build a bridge of concrete.
It's just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful item. I'm well pleased with that.
I look down and heave a sigh for the Woolston ferry.
And there we have it in its presentation case. And I've even added a little Saints brass band. Thanks for watching. Tutty bye for now. Up the Saints.